Hi guys, welcome back here at Alpha Steel. So we have here in our hands the liquid type straight connector. So this one is used to connect pipes to the, what we call that, the junction box, utility box, and to make sure that your connection is leak free, water free, especially used in wet areas wherein chances of water getting into the connection to the pipeline is pretty high. This one is the best bet and the most appropriate one to use. So this is what we call the liquid type straight connector. Okay, so this is it. Thanks for watching.